No matter how good you are at doing what you do or how much money you have, we all have blind spots. You like to do the things you enjoy and are good doing. Successful family fiduciaries know what they can and can't do well. And then they seek out specialists to help shore up their strengths and reinforce their weaknesses. Families we know have been successful real estate investors, built manufacturing businesses, sales organizations, law and engineering firms, retail outlets, even hospitals and medical practices, software enterprises, financial services companies, and some were even wealth managers. Yet in the complexity of today's world, each one knows they have unseen areas of vulnerability. One manufacturer was wiped out due to a riot in his neighborhood, another to poor management. A retiree was scammed, a wealth manager forced to close during a market downturn. And these are just the business-related catastrophes. Family dynamics also foster all kinds of exposures. We've seen misunderstandings, assumptions, greed, and resentment tear families apart. The most difficult aspect in dealing with your blind spots is first to admit they exist. Only then can you begin to do something about them. You can't see what's going on outside your field of vision. It takes others with a different point of view. Finding and trusting people who know who you are, what you want, and can assist you can make all the difference in protecting and building your family wealth.